gonna live as a family. We gonna work as a family. We gonna play as a family. And we gonna stick together. Now, how are you, little angels? We have said we're gonna work as a family. We're gonna play together as a family. And we're gonna live together as a family. It's your teacher Anauncieta. Welcome to EasyElimu Learning Simplified. Now, we have been talking about family, and people are busy asking, why did I say number families? Why did I not write Y and S? We said what happens, I will teach you those rules for plurals. But we are talking about different families. That's why I'm talking about number families. This is Mr. Kyoko's family. And this is Mr. Ruto's family. Now, when we talk about Mr. Kyoko's family, and we are being told here, make number families from these numbers. They have now told us, they have not even shown us what we're supposed to do. They have only told us to make number families. And we said, when you're given the word number family, put yourself in that family and ask, now I am part of the family. As a family, what do I need? As a family, I only need to be related to one another. And people who are related to one another, they won't do bad things to others. As a family, I need somewhere to settle. Just a roof on top of me to make sure that there is no rain that will harm my health. There are no bad animals and there are no bad people who will harm us. Now, we are being told, make number families. Someone who is willing to do it for me? Today, I don't want to talk. I just want to watch. I'm the people today and you're the teacher. Wow, Janet, have the pen? Nice. Now, teacher, you said in the family, the big one is the daddy. Very good. So, who is the big one here? In this case, daddy is 12. And mommy comes here and the child comes here. Very good. Very, very good. Now, what else did we say? Teacher, you said in the number family, make sure you only move around the 3 numbers. Don't add the 4th and the 5th and the 6th. We are saying 3 are the best. 3 are the best. Use the best 3. And the best 3 are this one in a family. Now, what else did we talk about a family? We said in this family, the addition sentence. What about the addition sentence? There are 2 addition sentences. And in the addition sentences, we have daddy coming the last person. Wow. I love these kids. They're just very nice. And we are saying in the subtraction sentence, daddy comes the first one. So we are doing it here nicely. So daddy is here. And we are saying daddy is also here. Then in the subtraction, daddy is starting the sentence. And we're being told, now let's fill in and find out who will come where. Oscar, come and help. Janet has done a very big job here. Come and help, Oscar. Wow, Oscar. Teacher, if I'm supposed to just stick to our family members, I'm not going to bring someone else in our family. So I'll just say the 3 numbers must appear. So I have a 7, I have a 5, I have a 12. Are we together? And if I have 7, 5, 12, I now inverse my question. And my question now starts with 5 and a 7 and a 12. 3 family members. 3 family members. And I ask myself, if daddy is the first one, let me now take away daddy here. And here, if I take away the child, I must get the mommy. Can you clap for this boy? Clap for this boy. Well done, well done. Try again another day. A very good boy. Now, John, what are you doing, John? Listen. John, please give us the explanation. We are being told, make number families. And you've just been given 6, 5, 12. And we don't know. What are we supposed to do with this number family? And what is this number family? Teacher, let me tell you what we're doing. number family, you said daddy is the big one. So in this case, who is your daddy? Daddy is 11. Very good. Wow. You see, I like these kids. They're very intelligent. So daddy is here. Then you said there is mommy and there is the child. Wow. Very good. Then after that, you also said a family must have a shelter. Very good. You've made them a shelter. Next, you said in these number families, we have 4 number sentences. Nice. And what are these 4 number sentences? We said the first one are the addition. And in addition, what did we say in addition? In addition, teacher, you said, why am I even forgetting? You said daddy comes the last one. So who is daddy? Daddy is 11. Wow, nice. Again. And in subtraction, you say daddy is the first one. Wow. In subtraction, you say daddy is the first one. So let's find out who are these other family members in each sentence. We are saying no strangers. Rule number 1, no strangers in the family. So we are saying if I put mommy and the child, I will get daddy. And if I put the child and mommy, I will get daddy. So if I take away mommy from daddy, I get the child. If in that house, mommy, we take away daddy and the child, we get mommy. Wow. These kids are just wonderful. Now, practice this. Make number families. Make number families. And I want to see people doing this. Work out, work out, work out. You're only doing one here, then the other one you'll do it with your guardian at home. Tell them we talked about families. Tell them what I've said about a family. A family must stick together. A family should not allow strangers in their home. So I have make number families using that, and I have make number families using that. So first thing in the morning, we are gonna go through that and we see which family stuck together and did what was expected of them. Meanwhile, I hope you have understood what number family is. And if I hear parents complaining that, in fact, I'm the one who told them everything, what? I will be very sad because I've taught you everything, even with the rules, what you need to know, what you need to understand. Okay? Thank you very much, and I wish you a lovely day.